Kelly Chevrolet Buick GMC's service center has expanded. We've added 6 additional service bays, each operated by our GM-trained technicians and designed to provide our customers with fast, efficient maintenance of their vehicles. 6 more service bays means our quick care service has grown as well. In 45 minutes or less, our customers can receive expert oil changes, tire rotations, 127-point inspection, alignment, battery, and recall checks, and safety inspections. Appointments are accepted but not necessary. Simply drive in, drop off, and relax in the comfort of our waiting room. We offer free Wi-Fi and coffee with access to our business center, so your service time doesn't need to be downtime for you. Kelly Chevrolet Buick GMC is open 7 days a week, and so is our service department. That means you can service your vehicle when it's convenient for you, even on Sunday. 6 additional service bays and quick care service 7 days a week, only at Kelly Chevrolet Buick GMC, where confidence is always included.